Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Wigfall and I just wanted to do an unboxing of my premium starter pack from Young Living's essential oils. I'm ready to open it. I'm excited. I have been waiting for my shipment to come. It has arrived. It didn't actually take too long. It only took a couple of days for it to get here. So, of course, you always get your shipping label. Ooh, oh, yeah, wow, that's right. Okay, so, first part, I can't wait. Second part. Oh, okay, so, I don't know which one to do first. Let me just take everything out. I think that's going to be easier. Yep, that's it. Oh, great. Wow. It was late when I did my order. So, all right. So, let's start with this. This is the essential oils. We'll do a part 2. I just want to show you guys everything that I got, and then we can talk about it. I'm going to slip it off. Look how nice that is. Again, this is Young Living essential oils. Take the top off, and let's get started. Oh, this is nice. Look. See the seal? So it shows all the information. Let's get into the oils. Peppermint. Now, just really quickly, what I like about Young Living is that the white labels are vitality. So that shows that these are a way that you can take them and you can actually use it as a food additive. You can add it into your food. But look at everything that I have. I have peppermint, lemon, thieves oil, citrus, digize, and then down here are the ones. There's 3 ways that you can actually use oils. You can diffuse them. You can actually permeate the air. You can use them topically. You can put them on the soles of your feet. You could just apply it on your skin. If it's stronger, you have to use a carrier oil. We'll talk more about that. But then you can ingest it, which is the white labels. But look at all of this. These are all of the oils that you can, that you get. So it's a total of 10. And, wow. The last one here, Stress Away, there's 12. So Stress Away is here, as well as Peace and Calming. And I have a spray, hand sanitizer spray using thieves oil, infused spray, and then, I'm sorry, this is the hand purification, the hand sanitizer. Also, I have samples of the Ninja, which is a supplement that has a lot of supplements that will help as well. What I'm excited to get to, now I got all of this in my starter pack, and let me just close this, keep it all together. I'll leave that out. I can at least keep up with everything here. Move that over. The diffuser. I got the Desert Mist. Let's see. Okay, I'm trying to go fast here because I actually want to. Oh, isn't that pretty. I'm making a mess here. Isn't that nice? Look at that. This is Desert Mist. So I have my diffuser. Of course, it's a plug-in. It's not battery operated. You just pick this up. Stack it all up so that you can see it. Right side up. I mean, that would help. And what I ordered, I'm trying to reduce toxins in my home little by little. And so, toothpaste. It's fluoride free. This is a using thieves oil toothpaste. That's it. I'll get into everything, but I just wanted to unbox with you and show you my new premium starter kit that I got with Young Living essential oils. Look forward to talking to you more and getting more in depth with it. But for now, I'm about to hook my diffuser up and use some of my lavender to go to bed. A few more things. I can never say just one more thing, but a few more things before I'm gonna wrap up for today. I just wanted to say that I did get the premium starter pack when I became a member of Young Living's essential oils. And one thing I wanted to point out, the diffuser alone, I mean, you guys know, especially for this size diffuser that is not battery operated, diffusers run anywhere from the teeny ones are $20 all the way up to almost $100, if not more. This is a great size, and this will actually permeate a nice room size. And also, I got so excited because I want to make tea, and I'm going to put my lemon oil in it. But frankincense is included. And frankincense, of course, is in the Bible. We're going to talk more about that on another day. But this alone, purchasing frankincense oil, essential oil on its own, you know, is for what I paid for this package. It's just a fraction. But Valor, Away, lavender, which I had already mentioned, Raven, and it's just amazing. And the other thing that I wanted to show you too was I can convert any of my essential oils as a roll-on. So they give you the roll-on balls and the caps for 2 of these. So if I want to just do Stress Away, I can transform and then just use it as a roller. The one thing that I failed to mention, that the Thieves Spray, you can spray your countertops in your car, home, office, just to keep things clean and germs, get rid of the germs. So I'm excited. I'm gonna take this in the morning. I didn't open it, but I did receive 2 single packs of the Ninja. And this is amazing. So let's see what else I missed. I'm just amazed at everything that I got in my premium starter pack. So the Founder magazine with the founder D. Gary Young on the front cover. I also have my product catalog so I can look and see what else I want to order. I already said that I want to get rid of as many toxics. By the way, I think before you even eat your breakfast, many women will have kind of come in contact with at least 80 toxic materials or products before even eating breakfast. So I'm trying to eliminate as many toxins as I can that I can help. Let's see if there's anything else. If you want more information about how you can order your own premium starter kit, or become a member, there's a link that will be below the video. All right, great. I'm Lisa Wigfall. I will see you guys later. subscribe to my channel, and also like my page on Facebook. And I look forward to talking to you and sharing about the essential oils next time. All right, take care. See you later. Bye.